Do you want to know how to add an admin to a Facebook group? Then this video is for you. Hello, I'm Sophie, Millionaire Mum, and I bring you the tools, the courses and the mindset that you need to make a success online. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss a video every time I upload one. In this video, it's going to be very short, very sweet. I'm just going to share my screen and show you how to add an admin to a Facebook group. Let's go.
Okay, so here's what you've got to do. So you obviously go to Facebook and you go to the group that you have and where you want to add an admin, right? You go to this tab here, right? Members. Click here. And then you, obviously, as the owner of the group, are automatically an admin of the group, an admin and a moderator. Then you go and you select the person you want or the people you want to make admins of the group, okay? In this case, I'll show you with my sister, for instance. You click here on the three little dots and you select this, make admin. Then if I wanted to make her admin, I would click here, send invite. And if my sister accepts, she has to accept to be made an admin, okay? As you can see, you can also make them moderator, so they can be admin and moderator, or only admin, okay? The reasons, by the way, why you might want to have several people as admins are, well, obviously you might want to have a bit less work, okay? You might want to share the work, but it's also always a good idea to have at least 2 people as admins of a group, because if you find yourself in Facebook prison, occasionally it happens, okay? Facebook forbids you from posting for a few days or whatever. If you have someone else who's an admin, then they can take over for you. I made myself, my Facebook page, my business page, an admin, and also my easy and gluten-free page, which is also something that I own. So just in case I had a problem, I could actually interact in the group and approve members, do all the things that an admin does from my business pages, right? But as I say, it could be that I appoint a friend or a member of my family or a business partner or anything like that. So that is how it's done. Once you've selected the person, send them the invite and they've accepted, that's it. They will be admins of your group.
So that was easy, wasn't it? I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, if it was helpful to you, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss a video every time I upload one. If you have any other questions about Facebook, just check my Facebook tutorials playlist. If the answer is not in my Facebook tutorials playlist, then you can always drop me a comment below with your question. I will find the answer and I'll make a video for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye for now.